Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to see your watch history on TikTok. So for that you just need to open your account and logged in. So seeing your watch history is important sometime whenever you are scrolling reel and sometime it refresh and your reel was lost. So if you want to check your reel history and if that video is important for you, so you can check your watch history on TikTok. So I'm going to tell you how you can check your watch history on TikTok app. So for that you just need to go to your profile section and just click on these three horizontal lines. Just click it and open that settings and privacy option here. And then you have multiple options. Just scroll a bit and now you can see that option is activity center. So that's it, you have to click on that option activity center and you have now multiple option here. You can check your watch history, comment history, search history, even you manage your post visibility here. So if you want to check your watch history, for that you just need to click on watch history and now you can see that what videos I just scrolled today and what I saw on TikTok today. So that's how you can track your watch history on TikTok. So that's for the video, and if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.